Hello everyone! In this video tutorial, we will guide you on how to generate Amazon affiliate link, step by step. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to join the Amazon Associates program. Head over to Amazon's website at affiliateprogram.amazon.com. Click on the Sign Up button, enter your Amazon account login credentials to log in. Then, you will need to provide your personal information. Enter the details and click on the Next button. Now, you will need to enter your website or mobile app URL. Enter the URL and click the Add button. After that, you will be prompted to confirm if your website traffic is under 13 years old or above. Finally, click on the Confirm button. On the next page, enter your store ID. Then, enter the details about the content you're providing on your website or app. Next, choose a category that best describes the content you're offering. Finally, complete the CAPTCHA verification and agree to the terms and conditions. Click on the Finish button to complete the setup. And there you have it. You now know how to generate an Amazon affiliate link. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.